Welcome to a tutorial of Proplan YouTube channel. In this particular video, we're going to have a look at how to find the equation of a circle. And this is especially when you're given the coordinates of the diameter. So because you can see here, we are told that the diameter is AB. And this diameter is going to pass through the point negative 3, 6 and 7, negative 8. So the first thing that we need to remember here is that if we are to draw that circle like this, let me just draw a circle so that we can have a representation of that. We can be able to say this could be point A, and this point will be negative 3, 6, and we have another point B, which is 7, negative 8 at that point. So which means that we shall have our diameter well represented here. Then the midpoint is going to be the center of that particular circle. So how do you find the center of this circle? We are going to use midpoint. And the midpoint is going to give us the center, which means that the coordinate of the midpoint is going to be minus 3 plus 7 over 2, comma 6 plus negative 8 divide by 2, and then this is going to translate to negative 3 plus 7 is going to give us 4 divided by 2 is going to give us 2, and then this is going to be negative 2 divided by 2, that will be negative 1. So this becomes the coordinate of the center of this particular circle. So the coordinate of C is 2, negative 1. Next, we need to find the radius of the circle, and the radius is the distance between point C and B, or point A and C. The radius is going to be equivalent to, if we are using C and B, we can be able to say this is 2 minus 7 squared plus minus 1 minus negative 8 squared. So if we can work it out, we are going to get this being square root of 2 minus 7 will be negative 5 squared, it will be 25, minus this will be a plus, so because this is negative plus negative 1 plus 8, that is going to translate to 7. So 7 squared, that is going to be plus 49. So if you add these two, we are going to get our answer translating to what? This is going to be square root of, if we add 5 plus this is going to give us 4, because this is 14, then this is going to translate to 74. So we shall have this radius being the square root of 74. Now, once you have gotten this, we need to remember that the equation of a circle takes the form x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equals to r squared. Yeah, whereby a and b are the center of that particular circle. So for this case, our center was 2, so this is going to be x minus 2 squared plus y minus negative 1, that will be plus 1 squared is equals to square root. The radius is square root of 74, so which means is root 74, but this is squared because the equation of a circle radius is squared. So we shall take the radius that we have gotten here so that we can be able to square it at this particular end. So therefore our x now becomes minus 2 squared plus y plus 1 squared is equals to 74. And now this becomes the equation of this particular circle when you are given the coordinates of